Katsu Sandos. So for this, I started with boneless, center-cut pork chops. The thinner, the better, because you're gonna pound them out until they're between 1/8 and 1/4 inch thick. Season both sides of your chops with salt and pepper. I've got, about 1/2 inch of high temperature cooking oil between medium and medium high on my stove. About this thick, you want your cooking oil, and a place for you to put your cutlets as they come out of the oil, because you can only cook 2 at a time. I keep them warm in a low oven on a wire rack lined baking sheet. The flour gets seasoned with a little ground ginger, granulated onion and garlic. To the AP flour, the all-purpose flour, I'm going to add toasted sesame and some big crunchy flakes of panko. And a little salt and pepper. You season every layer when you're breading things. Every layer needs flavor. So there's our breading mixture. For our eggs, we're going to add to the 4 eggs, 1 egg per cutlet. I'm going to add a fat squirt of tomato paste, or I like sun-dried tomato paste, even tangier. A couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire, and some light soy sauce, which is saltier and thinner than dark soy sauce. So there's grated garlic and grated ginger in a ketchup base for the sauce. Add a little sprinkle of light brown sugar. Add about a tablespoon of mirin. And about the same of Worcestershire. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And a splash of toasted sesame oil. Mix this together, and that's your tonkatsu sauce. So now we're going to take 2 cutlets at a time, beautiful, done, and get them into our liquid, our egg bath, and our panko mixture, and then into the oil and out, a couple of minutes on each side. We have them out, and I'm gonna keep them warm in a low oven. Literally a low oven. Anyway, over here we have seedless cucumber or little Persian cucumbers, thinly sliced. Season them with superfine sugar and some salt, and let them drain for about ½ an hour. Then you're going to pour that excess liquid off. Pat them dry a little, get the excess liquid out of them. And we're just making some quick pickles for our sandwiches. We add in some shallot, rice wine vinegar for the acidity, and then mix it all together and taste, and you can add in a little extra sprinkle of sugar or salt as you see fit. And for the green in these, I use either shiso leaves, these beautiful leaves, or I use cilantro. Everybody can find cilantro. Shiso you can order online, or if you are lucky enough to be in a town that has an Asian specialty market, you can buy it there. Once in a while, I see it in my grocery store as well. So you mix that all together, and then the bread, you can use, of course, a good quality white bread, and just trim the crusts. This is called milk bread. To build our Sammys, we're going to take a little mustard, go wall to wall. That means corner to corner when you're sandwich making. The identity of a sandwich is to make every bite the exact same experience for the person eating it. So you have to go wall to wall with every ingredient so every bite tastes the same. Then we're going to take our beautiful crispy pork cutlet, put that down. Then we're going to take our beautiful barbecued ketchup sauce and go all over the place with that. And then our homemade quick pickles on top of that, and our milk bread on top of that. And then, boom!